Visual content is a primary driver of audience engagement on social media, blogs, and marketing channels. For content creators and designers, producing high-quality graphics, thumbnails, and illustrations represents a major time investment. The rapid development of artificial intelligence image generators has introduced new methods for creating assets, but each platform serves a different creative purpose. In this video, we will compare the leading AI image generators, Midjourney, OpenAI's DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion alongside Adobe Firefly. We will evaluate these platforms based on output quality, prompt adherence, commercial licensing safety, and workflow integration. We will explore specific use cases like generating website graphics, drafting social media assets, and creating concept art. We will examine the specific mechanics of these platforms, detailing the user interfaces, pricing plans, and generation speeds that impact your daily productivity. Whether you are a graphic designer, a social media manager, or a solo founder building a website, this analysis will help you understand the landscape of modern image generation. Our goal is to help you select the appropriate image generator for your creative pipeline, allowing you to produce professional visuals while staying within your budget and respecting copyright guidelines. First, let us examine Midjourney, which is widely recognized for its visual aesthetic and photorealistic output. Midjourney excels at generating highly detailed illustrations, cinematic scenes, and textures. When you instruct Midjourney to generate an image, it applies a default artistic style that makes the output look polished and professional, even with simple prompts. The platform provides advanced parameters that allow you to adjust the aspect ratio, style strength, and image variation levels. This control is useful for creators who need to maintain a consistent visual style across a project. Understanding how to use seed numbers and styling weight commands is essential for achieving predictable results. If you do not learn these parameters, you will waste a lot of time generating random variations that do not match your project requirements. Since Midjourney requires a monthly subscription, you should evaluate whether the visual quality justifies the cost for your team. Many users find that the platform's high-resolution outputs are ideal for print media and website banners. To get the best results, you can use the built-in upscale features to increase the resolution of your generated graphics without losing detail. However, Midjourney has two major drawbacks. First, its interface is hosted on Discord, which can feel disorganized and difficult to integrate into a standard corporate workflow. Second, it struggles with precise prompt adherence and text rendering. If you prompt Midjourney to place a specific text label on an object, it often generates garbled letters. To get the best results, you must use detailed prompt syntax and spend time generating multiple variations. This makes Midjourney ideal for conceptual art, background textures, and high-fidelity mockups where absolute precision is less important than visual appeal. Second, we turn to OpenAI's DALL-E 3, which is integrated directly into ChatGPT. DALL-E 3's primary strength is its ability to understand and execute complex, detailed prompts. Unlike Midjourney, which requires specific command syntax, DALL-E 3 uses natural language processing to interpret your ideas. If you ask for a specific scene with multiple objects in precise positions, DALL-E 3 will generate an image that matches your description. DALL-E 3's integration with ChatGPT makes it accessible to team members who do not have design experience. Since the interface is conversational, users can describe their ideas in plain English and let the system write the actual prompt behind the scenes. This reduces the learning curve significantly compared to Midjourney's commands. This makes DALL-E 3 a highly efficient brainstorming partner during the early stages of a design project, allowing you to iterate on concepts in real time. Additionally, the platform allows you to download images in multiple standard formats, which simplifies the process of importing assets into your editing software. It also features superior text rendering capabilities, allowing it to place legible English words and phrases on signs, packages, and book covers. This is a significant advantage for creators drafting social media graphics or product packaging drafts. Furthermore, because it is housed within ChatGPT, you can use conversational prompts to edit the image. For instance, you can ask the model to add a cup of coffee to the table or change the background color to blue without starting over. The main limitation of DALL-E 3 is its output style, which can sometimes look overly clean or cartoonish compared to the realistic textures of Midjourney. DALL-E 3 is the best choice for creators who require exact prompt adherence, readable text, and a conversational editing interface. Finally, we must evaluate Stable Diffusion and Adobe Firefly, focusing on customization and commercial licensing safety. Stable Diffusion is an open-source model that you can run locally on your own computer. This gives you complete control over your data privacy and allows you to train custom models on your own branding assets. Using extensions like ControlNet, you can guide the layout of the generated image using sketches or pose maps. Using local installations of Stable Diffusion allows you to run unlimited generations without incurring monthly usage fees. This is a significant cost benefit for high-volume creators who need to generate hundreds of draft ideas daily. However, you must invest time in setting up the software and learning how to configure checkpoints and LoRa models. Stable Diffusion has a steep learning curve and requires a powerful computer to run effectively, making it less suitable for beginners. Adobe Firefly represents a different approach, designed specifically for commercial safety. Adobe trained Firefly exclusively on licensed content and public domain images, reducing the legal risks associated with copyright infringement. This is a critical factor for enterprise teams and agencies who must guarantee the legal safety of their visual assets. Firefly integrates directly into professional design software like Photoshop, allowing you to use generative fill to add or remove elements from existing images. Additionally, Adobe's integration means you can select an area of a photo and use AI to expand the canvas smoothly. This saves you from having to recreate the scene manually in Photoshop. Adobe Firefly offers a simpler web-based interface that requires no installation. This provides a fast, legally compliant alternative for corporate marketing teams. For professional creators and agencies who need custom control and commercial peace of mind, the combination of Stable Diffusion for advanced control and Adobe Firefly for legal safety provides a reliable production pipeline. Signal Stack AI helps professionals, creators, and small teams understand the AI tools that actually matter. Each video breaks down one workflow, one tool category, or one automation strategy without hype, jargon, or fake promises. If you want to save time, build smarter systems, and stay ahead of the AI curve, this channel gives you clear, practical explanations you can use immediately. This video is general technology education, not a guarantee of productivity gains, software stability, or business revenue. AI tool features, pricing, and terms of service change frequently.